Looking for the best beard trimmers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 beard trimmers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Philips Norelco Grooming Kit with Trimmer. More blades for maximum precision. An impressive collection of guide combs, trimmers, and shaving attachments included. Powerful motor makes this great for thicker hair. This top quality product does it all. Its precision and impressive versatility make it a great choice. Slightly heavy due to stainless steel body, perhaps not as travel friendly as some picks. At number 2. Gillette Styler and Beard Trimmer. Quality trimmer with an ergonomic handle at a low price. Includes 3 combs of different lengths. Safe for use with water and in the shower. Narrow width and flexible head contour and allow for easy control. Works on face, neck and body. Simple yet effective beard trimming kit for those who seek value and convenience. Struggle with thicker hair. At number 1. Remington Smart Beard Trimmer. Smart tool featuring 175 settings with increments of 0.1 mm. Changes speed based on beard. Digital display is easy to read. Logs previous lengths used. Runs up to 50 minutes without cord. Easy to wash and clean. High-end trimmer from a trusted name that caters to your facial hair and automatically adjusts to your exact needs. May lack power for dense, thick beards. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.